Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to create a Minecraft server for free. Alright, let's begin. First, close Minecraft and open your web browser. Now, go to the official Minecraft website and download the server file. Once it's downloaded, go to your File Explorer, find the server file and drag it to your desktop. Next, right-click on your desktop, create a new folder and name it Server. Then, move the server file into this folder. Open the folder, right-click on the server file, and select Open With and choose Java TM Platform SE Binary. If Java isn't installed, download it from the Java website and then repeat the process. After opening the server file, you'll see a folder and a text file appear. Open the text file and set EULA as true to agree to the terms. Then, save the file and double-click on the server file again to continue the installation. Once it's complete, your Minecraft server will be up and running. To join the server, open Minecraft, go to Multiplayer, click Direct Connection, and enter localhost to connect to your own server. You can also give your server a name and save it for easy access. So that's basically how you can create a Minecraft server for free. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.